You have tried your best, but nothing's working out. Now you question yourself, has there been a mistake? God, can you see me through? Can you even hear me? I've tried all I can, but I'm still stuck right here. You will rise from your ash when you change your thinking. The cosmos is waiting for you to save yourself. You gotta relax, just take 3 deep breaths and center yourself so you can be whole. Ah, eh, ah, eh. Yeah, I know that sometimes life can be too daunting, almost as if nothing is ever gonna change. Sometimes we might ask ourselves if God is actually watching us go through all this shit without doing anything. But in the actual sense, this is not God's fault. We were the ones that distanced ourselves from the all. The day we choose to reconnect to ourselves is the day the all intervenes. We are the ones that we've been waiting for. Save yourself. No one's coming to save you. Work on that inner battles and watch the external manifestations slowly diminish. The day we choose to rise is the day the cosmos backs us up. Work on you. Work on us. Rise together.